from Japan, is taking on Nurlan from Kyrgyzstan. And nothing doing now, but Nurlan does have a straitjacket wrapped up, 2 overs, tied him up pretty good. Sato rips her arms free, but just in time to provoke a passive call, so she'll go down for, or excuse me, no, I'm not. This isn't Greco at all, folks. I apologize. She'll go on the clock first. There's a low-level attack to a single, and she has both hands on the ankle, but can't quite collect it. And Milan does a good job of getting weight on the head. Sato now out the back door, 12 seconds, 11 seconds left, and referee will put dead with 10 seconds left on the shot clock. So Sato has to score here, or else she'll give up the first point of the bow. And the left, an underhook. Well, she at least had an underhook on the right-hand side. She loses that and takes a collar instead. Let's see if she goes big here as, oh, that sits her to her behind. She goes single leg as a secondary measure. It has been all Nurlan here. There's another snap down from a headlock. And Nurlan trying to get busy on a crotch lock, goes over on it for 2, and Sato is down by 3 with short time. And that'll do it for the two. Makes her way back to the center of the mat. Nurlan meets her there. There's another low-level attempt for Sato. And short offense here for Nurlan. Snaps into the mat, and they'll blow it dead. They'll go back to their feet. You know, she hasn't been able to, one of the things of many that the Japanese athletes do so well is get to the absolute lowest part of the leg, and thus not allowing their opponent to sprawl very well. She has been close to that area of the leg. She's been, you know, the heel is different than the ankle, and the ankle is different from the calf. So there's a slide by to a single leg attempt by Sato, and now it will be Nurlan who is passive. So she'll go on the shot clock. I can't imagine it would change much of the way that she wrestles, but 3-0 now the score, and 30 seconds on the shot clock for the young Kyrgyzstan wrestler. And like I said, didn't change a whole heck of a lot. There's a single leg for Nurlan. And 1 point will go on the board for Sato. Snap down, go behind. There's a 2-point takedown for Sato, and Nurlan is closely out of bounds, and she is out of bounds. There's a no score yet. There's a exposure for 2, so 5-3 is the score, and exposure now for Nurlan, and she's keeping her in danger. That's pretty wise considering they won't blow it dead, and she actually has her feet touching. That's pretty illegal. At least 1 point now for Sato as they go out of bounds. 6-5 is the score. And there's 1.3 seconds left, and she just blew her shot looking at the official. Oh, wow, what a match. 6-5 the winner, Sato. And